Welcome to TechSiege. Today, we have a Review Siege episode where I review products that are important to you. For this episode, I have BladeHawk's LED Gaming Mousepad. This is an Amazon Choice product with around 6,000 ratings. This product managed to get 4.7 stars out of 5. And it only costs around 20 bucks. So, we are going to unbox the product and see if it can hold up to its reputation. Let's get to it, right after this intro. The product comes in a rectangular box. The box has BladeHawk's logo at the top and the model number BX04 at the bottom. Let's go over specifications on the back. So it has 10 different backlight modes, 7 different single color modes, a spectrum cycling mode, and finally a special effect backlight mode. I am interested in seeing what that is. Its dimensions are 315 x 1990 mm. So for my American friends, that would be around 32 x 12 inches. The box also says it has a lifetime of 30,000 hours, that is around 3.5 years, which is excellent for a budget gaming mousepad. It also uses a micro USB cable and works with all the operating systems. That's it on the box, so let's unbox the product. It comes inside a plastic bag. Then we have the micro USB cable. What is this? Oh, it also comes with a 2-year warranty. But you need to register the product within 7 days of purchase. I don't know why that is important. They can just give us the warranty. They have their logo in the middle and a single button control at the top left. The pad has a nice tested feel to it, and the LED strip is stitched well to the pad. I feel this is more than enough for a typical keyboard mouse setup. Give me a second. There you go. It does fit my keyboard and mouse well. Now let's light up the pad. It is not bright enough for a typical daytime setting. Frankly, I wasn't expecting it either. So let me turn off the lights for you. Okay, now that is bright. Let's cycle through all the modes. These are the single color modes. Some people do prefer single color modes, but personally, I prefer multicolors. Like this one. We are right now seeing the spectrum cycling mode. Finally, the special effect backlight mode. It does have a wow factor to it. I apologize if my camera couldn't capture what I am seeing, but trust me, it looks amazing. I would like to address one of the most common complaints I hear from the gaming community. The mousepad slips during intense gaming. To address this issue, this mousepad has an anti-slip rubber base, so it won't go anywhere when you are taking out your enemies left and right. Before I give you the final opinion about the product, if you enjoyed this video so far, a subscribe would be much appreciated. So what's the final verdict? It doesn't have features like programmable RGB zones or wireless charging. But still, this is a great value product compared to other expensive mousepads. So if you are in the market for an extended mousepad, or if you're looking for a cool holiday gift under $20, this is a good buy. At the end of the day, lights are always fun. More the merrier. That's all I have for you today. As usual, you can find the link to this product in the description. And before we leave, I would like to know what is your favorite gaming mousepad? And what other products do you want me to review on this channel? Please let me know in the comments. This is PJ signing off. See you in another video.